How to download Telegram Messenger on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Telegram Messenger on your PC easy and fast. So first thing you have to do, go to telegram.org and now scroll down and you will find this page. Now choose if you have a PC or a Mac. I'm gonna choose PC. Now click get Telegram for Windows like this, and now it started downloading. And after it get downloaded, what you have to do is click on it like this and it will take you to this page as you can see right here. Now choose English, click OK, next, install, and yeah, now wait a few seconds until it installed. Now as you can see, it's installed successfully. Now click finish, and here you go. As you can see right here, now I just downloaded Telegram for my desktop, easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.